Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to show you a very interesting workflow. It is capable of extracting all the information from Google Maps. That means I can simply give it a region, select any area I'm interested in wherever I want to work. I just copy the URL of that Google Maps. And thanks to a very special API called Google Maps Extractor, which I installed on my n8n tool in this workflow. So what does the system do? It can extract all the data of businesses in a sector I specify. You just need to send the URL along with a sector keyword, for example, restaurants. What will it do? It will extract all the data for me, as you can see, really all the information. What interests me most are the phone number, the website, and the email address. Be careful, this workflow is actually able to go and analyze the website and search the internet, the exact email address of that company. It won't just limit itself to Google Maps, so it really does an extraordinary job. Honestly, it's a workflow that's well explained, thoroughly tested, and already being used by businesses today. I'm giving it to you for free, so stay until the end. I'll show you how to download it, and most importantly, we'll run it together so you can see for yourself how it works, how it runs, and how in just a few seconds I can have a complete database for my prospecting and finding new clients. With that, I want to say thank you very much. Watch until the end, because at the end I'll also give you another gift to access all my n8n courses. Thank you. So before continuing with the course, I like to do a quick introduction for those who are watching the video for the first time. So I am Dr. Ferraz, and today, I am a full-time instructor on the Udemy platform. So I create a lot of courses in the fields of marketing, business, and artificial intelligence. Today, I have several courses that are currently bestsellers in France. And I am also ranked as the most popular instructor on this platform in the French-speaking section. So here you can see my profile with several courses. And if you search on Udemy using just the keyword n8n, you'll find that I have hundreds and hundreds of courses available today for the community, for those who want to purchase courses on Udemy. Also, of course, I have grouped all these courses together, which are advanced workshops on n8n. I created the course from beginner to expert. It's a course that brings together all my videos and all my studies into one. For those who are interested in getting access to this course, stay until the end of the video, because at the end of the video, I'll actually give you a little gift to encourage you to really start the n8n courses from beginner to expert. Now, let's continue our workflow. So the first thing to do is to download this workflow. I'm giving it to you for free. So I'm simply going to click download. I'm downloading it, and I've just put it here for you. So on this link, which you'll also find in the description, n8n.doctor-vip, you just need to go there, enter your email address, and click to receive my workflow. So the workflow needs to be downloaded because you'll receive it by email and then you'll download it. I'm going to show you right now how you can import it onto an n8n server so that we can run it. This is normal. To run a workflow, the first thing you need to know is that you need an n8n VPS server. And to have a server, it's simple. You need to subscribe to n8n in order to run a workflow, a system like this one. So generally, to get a server, there are two options. Either you go to the official n8n website. The downside here is that you should know the prices are a bit expensive. That means we're talking about prices starting at $20 per month. There are some at $50, and there are also some that are way too expensive. So for freelancers, beginners, and small business entrepreneurs, when they want to run a workflow, they just need a small server. Another drawback with the official n8n server is that you're limited to running only 5 workflows at the same time. So 5 workflows at the same time is really, really little if you want to test or create workflows. So either you switch to a pro mode, this server is $50 a month, and you get up to 20. There's also a second option, which is simply to get a server from Hostinger. By the way, right now, at the time of filming this video, it's Black Friday. And with the n8n server on Hostinger, what's the advantage? It's that on their server you have an unlimited number of workflow executions. That means you're not limited to 5 or 20, so you can run as many as you want. The prices actually are more or less moderate. So here it's €6.49 per month. Here you get 2 processors, and here you get 4 processors. So if you're a freelancer, I recommend this one. If you're an entrepreneur with a company, it would be good to get a VPS with 4 processors. It's going to be very powerful, very fast in execution. Of course, I'll leave the link in the description of this video so you can go directly to the VPS server, because Hostinger actually offers several types of servers. You shouldn't make the mistake of selecting a standard server. You need to have an n8n server. So specifically use this particular link. On top of that, I'm going to give you a little tip. Here you can get an additional discount. So Hostinger has created a coupon especially for beginners. I'll show you when you click, for example, if I select this server. You'll see here, right here. If you enter this coupon, n8n, this is a coupon for beginners, for people who are creating their first server. So if you apply it, you'll see that the price will drop again, so you'll get another discount. We're talking about a 10% discount, which is really interesting. And another very useful tip, you'll see here, there's the n8n server. I recommend you choose this one, n8n plus 100 workflows. What does 100 workflows mean? This is a free server with 100 workflows already installed inside. Hostinger has selected the 100 most downloaded workflows in the world and integrated them into the server. That means when you get this server, you'll already find 100 pre-installed workflows, so you can get started right away by testing existing workflows, and you can even reuse them. You don't have to pay anything extra. It's always the same price. You click here on confirm. Now you have this server. You'll see that the price will always stay the same. And finally, you click here on continue to place the order and get direct access to your n8n server. Once the server is installed, we can start the setup. We can install, download, or upload the workflow. So you can simply test and run it. So here in our system, actually, we have 2 parts. So there's a first part where we'll start the search. This is where we'll send it the URL so it can retrieve the data. And a second part where we'll save it to our Google Sheets, of course adding some extra information like the email address. So for me, I'm first interested in running just the first part, so up to this point. So here, we'll come over, click on run, and as a result, the system, let's even refresh the page. There we go, and we'll run this first part. There, we'll click run. So now my system here is waiting for me to send it some information. So it's waiting. What I'll do is simply go to my Google Maps here. Let's try searching for hotel just like that, and I'll hit enter. So now it's searching for hotels for me. Here I can simply position myself. Let's go to this area. I want it here. There we go. So it finds me the hotels that are there. So now I'm going to copy this URL, just a quick copy. Then I come back here to my search. I open Telegram, and here I'm going to give it hotel semicolon. I'm going to ask it to return 2 results for me. If you want it to return 200, you put 200. So here, just to test, we'll put 2, semicolon, that's the separator between the values. And now I'm going to paste the link. So take a look at the link. It contains search here. It contains the information inside it. So if I look here, I'm going to start the search and see if it actually runs or not. So now we wait. So it's searching right now. So this here is actually kind of the search system. By the way, I can check in parallel. I'm actually going to use Google Maps and Scrape, so I'm thinking about it as I go. So I can really check here in the tool and see if it's running or not. So this is the second one. So here it found 2 results. Just to let you know, here I'm actually using a tool. It's very well known today. It's actually called Apify. That's the tool. I'll leave the link for you in the description. The link will give you $5 free to try it out. So that's more than enough to do all the necessary tests. Here, it actually lets you search pretty much everywhere. Scrape just about anything on the internet. Social networks, Instagram, LinkedIn, whatever you want. Here, I'm just going to type in maps like this. You'll see that even in maps, there are a ton of extensions. Well, generally I use either this one or that one. For the test, we'll do it with this one. It's a simple system that lets you extract all the data you ask of it. So now it just found the information. You'll see that if I click here, it will return it to me. There you go. It already found the information and the data. That's very good. So what's the last step? Now it consists of saving this data to Google Sheets. So if I open my Google Sheets here, you'll see it should add a new row here. And the system should, of course, search the internet thoroughly and comprehensively, which is very important and crucial, especially when it comes to searching the website in order to find the specific email address that I'm interested in locating. So now, at this point, we're going to try to run this particular part of the process. To do this, it's actually very simple and straightforward. We'll just need to run it as instructed. This is the node or the component that returns the relevant information to me, either on Instagram or rather, more accurately, on Telegram, in order to let me know and notify me that it's finished and the process has been completed. So now we're going to execute this step here. And here we go, it's already writing into Google Sheets. By the way, we can check here if it added line 8. Yes, it did. So now it's actually searching for the email address, so let's see if it managed to get the email address. Normally it was created. There you go, it retrieved the email address. So now it's moved on to the second row, which is this one. And here for the Accor group, it's searching for the email address. Let's see if it manages to capture it. Let's go back here. It didn't find one for the Accor group. But still, I see that the system just finished. I'm checking here on my Telegram and it tells me it's done. So here in our system, it retrieved the data and it simply put them in at this level so that I can easily use it. You now understand how the system works. First, it searches using the Google Maps link we provided, and then it goes through to record the data and also to save the email address for me. You'll also see at the end, it made a summary here. This is very important because thanks to this summary, for each hotel, the recap is based on the reviews and the information it found on Google Maps. This obviously allows me to later prepare a marketing strategy if I want to continue the workflow with very targeted marketing operations.